I told you we were making another one.
What? We're back. What if I like change shirts in the middle of that and be like, hey you guys, so it's
I told you.
Sunday.
You didn't subscribe, so now my vanilla wafers are gone. What the
Yeah, dude, look, you didn't subscribe. Now we got no vanilla wafers. And we're an hour away from my house.
Y'all sicken me. She farted.
Shut up! So the other day, my dad called me a dyke and a lesbian. What if...
Okay.
Oh, it's nasty.
It's blue raspberry and lemonade.
My foot.
So you drink more, although I gotta go throw away.
She's throwing stuff away. You can see her. We can see you.
Hey, Daddy.
Momo. Hey, you guys. So this is my mom. Momo. That's my mom. She's in roller derby. I showed them Momo. Do it. Failed. Kiss your camera.
Anything. I look like Skrillex in my opinion right now on the camera.
That was horrible. No cash that I already got. My eyes are like a light brown.
You still like that song, don't you? She listened to that on the way home. Hey guys.
Dude, we could have like totally tonight. I'm supposed to be getting some James from James because I gave him the rest of my
No.
Tell him. I know, so there's James. And James sells Coke.
That's nasty, don't you dare. I don't do Coke. We don't do Coke.
We said nothing. We don't do Coke.
We really don't. I'd look like an idiot. I'd look like a crack whore if I did Coke.
You calling me a crack whore?
Slushy just came out my nose. Don't do that. She made slushy come out my nose. Nah, she kicked my butt. No, you were just standing behind me. This is how it looked. Go on the camera. This is how it looked.
Somebody should have told you I'm over. Money!
We could be.
And more money! ones.
You can get a date with you and me and Sean.
What if I just run off?
And we'd all go to movies.
Not my treat though. Don't think that.
Sean probably would. Sean's got a credit card. He'd probably
I
pay for
fucking
it.
pay for Austin.
Probably would. Birds! Get in the camera! Hey, go over to play something. Let's go.
Weirdo.
This is how we act. Oh yeah. You can pick all that up. I ain't picking that up.
Where's the rest of my money? I'm just joking. That was horrible. I have to go to the bathroom. Now.
Do you have to?
No.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. No, we're not doing that. Do it. Come on. Let's do now. End it. Oh God. Stop it. Oh my God. I'm coming. Okay, taint tickler. I called you a taint tickler.
I call all my friends hoe bagels.
I called Brennan's boyfriend a taint tickler. Okay, well I gotta end this while she goes pee. So I'll make another one in a minute. Back in here. Okay, bye.